Welcome back to Todd Family Farm. So we have a pretty short video for you guys today, but I think you're gonna like it. It's got some fun footage in it. So recently there was a spraying helicopter out and they sprayed fungicide on our neighbor's field. It's actually that one right back there, right across the road from us. So it wasn't spraying on our fields, but it was really close to us and we were able to get some really good footage of it. So I'm going to show you guys that. I hope you enjoy it. It was really cool to see the helicopter flying so close and so low, and we really enjoyed seeing that. And then also there was a truck and a trailer that kept up, followed along with the helicopter, and they had on that trailer, it was a portable landing pad for the helicopter where the helicopter could land and then refill to go spray some more. So that actually ended up parking over in one of our hog house parking lots, and then we were able to go over there and talk to the guys running that. They were super nice and said that it would be just fine if we stayed over there and watched the helicopter land and record it. So we were able to get some footage of that as well, which was really cool. So I'm going to show you guys that. Like I said, it's a little bit of a shorter video today, just going to be some helicopter footage, but it's some fun footage, so I hope you guys like it. And yeah, without me continuing to talk, I will just show you the footage. Alright, there it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We really enjoyed getting all that footage. It was really neat to see the helicopter up close like that. Never seen that before, so it was really fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That is going to be it for today, but I should have a little bit of a longer video coming out soon. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for all of your support. If you have any questions or suggestions or video ideas, leave those in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.